Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw stuffed bell pepper. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. At the beginning we have to take a bell pepper. We have to clean it inside and get rid of the seeds. Then we put it in a dehydrator up to 45 Celsius degrees. We can also use for it radiator or a sun. When the peppers are ready, we can start making a filling. We put radish in a blender. Then some mushrooms, cut it into smaller pieces. Some spices, non-iodized salt, black pepper, we also put inside some cauliflower. We mix everything together and then put it in a bowl. We can now make a tomato sauce. We put some tomatoes in a blender. Some onion, some oregano, basil, and caraway. Some garlic, non-iodized salt, and black pepper. We also add some lemon or lime juice. We mix everything together. Now we add the sauce to the bowl and mix with the previous mass. We take the dehydrated peppers and we put the filling inside them. Before eating, we can warm it up in a dehydrator. And it's ready! Bon appetit!